Hi everyone, I am Ojasvi Sharma and I am currently a student at the Indian Institute of Science Education and Research in Pune. If I were to go back in time just to think why I chose research in the first place, two of the people who had the strongest influence on me are Atul sir and Alok sir, who were my coaching mentors during my ID jam preparation and jest and gate preparation as well. And if I speak about Atul sir, genuinely speaking, he's one of the greatest teachers that I have met so far, and I had the privilege to be his student, and the way he teaches physics is incredible. I mean, the way he would just explain the most complicated things to you in such a simple and beautiful way, and you will be amazed to know that this was such a beautiful concept that he just explained right now, and with such a beauty and with such uh, with such elegance and such intricacies. Um, he taught me quantum mechanics and Newtonian mechanics, special theory of relativity, and atomic physics towards the later end of the class. Especially talking about quantum mechanics, I was amazed to learn quantum mechanics from him. The way he used examples from the real life, like superposition of happy and sad at the same time, and the examples for Hilbert spaces, like a a, a, a cloud of thoughts, just like in comic books, etc. I am a teaching assistant here at ISER, and I was given an opportunity to teach the undergrad students quantum mechanics. And I used the same examples as Atul sir taught me, and everybody in the class, every student was so happy with me that I was able to teach them what quantum mechanics was all about. And speaking about Atul sir's role in my life was, I still remember on 21st of March 2021 when IIT JAM results were out, and I secured a good rank in the examination. I spoke with Atul sir, and that was the first time when I had an actual conversation with him. Otherwise, because otherwise I'd never had a chance to speak with him one on one apart from just question solving and academics, because he's sometimes very strict when you don't study hard, and that's also for our own good. And he's strict, but at the same time he's the most caring teacher. So the day when I had my results, and I got a good rank, and I spoke with Atul sir, and that's when he said that he liked my questions which I asked in the classroom, and he really wants me to go and conquer the world and just to learn physics more and more. And that was the day I felt even happier than what my result was, and I was the happiest that day. And those were some of the words which stayed with me throughout. And even today there are times when things are very difficult and uh, everything's very complicated, but I always remember those words which were uttered by my guru Atul sir. And i just I just say to myself that if he can believe in me, if he believes in me, then I should also believe in myself. uh, and Speaking about Alok sir, he's also one of the greatest teachers in physics that I have found so far. Alok sir is very witty and very charismatic, and very he just entertains you throughout the class. He makes his class so engaging that you can never fall asleep or you never get bored. He taught me statistical mechanics and thermodynamics and mathematical physics as well. And the puns that he has, he's so witty, and he has always a comeback for everything, and which is so humorous, and you start laughing. That some of the examples from statistical mechanics class was the arrow of Arjun, Arjun ka baan, and there were so many examples and so many laughter puns in his classroom. And he's very friendly with the students, and uh, very supportive. He was very supportive throughout my whole IIT jam journey, right from the day one. And the way he actually listens to you properly and teaches you in an incredible way is something which uh, I have brought with myself so far. Now I am in the fourth year of my integrated PhD at ICER, and the subjects that they taught me, both of them, I haven't forgotten any of it. And more than physics, they taught me how to think. They taught me how to frame questions. They taught me how to make your own question, how to be curious, and they just taught me some of the beautiful things in life, and which I'm always grateful for. And so I wish both of my teachers a very, very, very happy Teachers' Day. And at the last, to Satish sir as well, happy Teachers' Day to you, sir, as well, because Satish sir, you have been always, always very gentle and helpful to not just me, but each and every one of us regarding anything. And we could just call you at any hour in the day, at night, and you were always ready to help us, with always a smile and your polite nature. And I'm very grateful to be a part of the family which has such great pillars. And happy Teachers Day to you all. Thank you.